Hi, to turn on and off email categories on Mail app on your iPhone 16e, firstly open your Mail app and now click on three dots to select categories. So with the help of this way, you can turn it on and check all of your emails by primary category, by transactions, updates, promotions, and so on. And to disable categories, just switch back to list view. Now you can also pick any email from the list. So I'm now in primary category. I'm gonna pick any email and click this icon to reply. And right now I can change categorize sender, so I can tap here and instead of automatically categorize this message, I can manually select its category. For example, I can pick promotions for this specific email and tap continue. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.